Yo, reggae lovers! If you're all about those soulful rhythms and legendary stories, smash that subscribe button, hit like, and share this video to spread the love. Today, we're diving into why Jimmy Cliff, the Jamaican ska and reggae legend, is a trending topic in 2025, thanks to his blockbuster announcement of a new album, Legacy, and his final world tour. Jimmy Cliff, born James Chambers on April 1, 1948, in Somerton, Jamaica, is a global reggae pioneer whose influence stretches across 6 decades. His starring role in the 1972 cult classic The Harder They Come and its iconic soundtrack, featuring hits like Many Rivers to Cross and You Can Get It If You Really Want, brought reggae to international audiences. Cliff's soulful voice and socially conscious lyrics, seen in tracks like Vietnam and Refugee, earned him accolades, including Jamaica's Order of Merit, a 2010 Rock and Roll Hall of Fame induction, and Grammy wins for Cliffhanger, 1985, and Rebirth, 2012. His cover of I Can See Clearly Now for Cool Runnings remains a fan favorite. In April 2025, Cliff set the music world ablaze by announcing Legacy, his upcoming album slated for a September release, paired with his farewell world tour. The news, shared through a heartfelt video on his social media and website, has sparked a frenzy on platforms like X, where fans and outlets like at SVG and Her Collection are buzzing about the 53rd anniversary of The Harder They Come and Cliff's enduring impact. Legacy promises a fusion of classic reggae with contemporary vibes, featuring collaborations with both global stars and rising Jamaican talents. Cliff called it a love letter to reggae's past, present, and future, amplifying anticipation for what may be his final studio work. The 2025 tour, billed as his last, marks a bittersweet moment for fans. From his first hit, Hurricane Hattie, at age 14 to headlining global stages, Cliff has embodied reggae's spirit of resilience and rebellion. His career also includes acting in films like Club Paradise and Marked for Death, showcasing his versatility. Posts on X highlight the excitement, with ticket pre-sales surging as fans clamor for a chance to see the legend perform live one last time. The tour is expected to cover major cities, with dates still being finalized, keeping anticipation high. Cliff's legacy extends beyond music. Born during a hurricane, he credits his life to magic, a theme woven into his songs' messages of hope and struggle. His 2022 album Refugees and 2018 EPs tackled modern issues like digital music's impact and global crises, proving his relevance. As 2025 unfolds, Legacy and his final tour cement Cliff as reggae's first global superstar. Subscribe, like, and share to join the celebration. Drop your favorite Jimmy Cliff song below. Let's keep the reggae fire burning.